Hi! Welcome back to Berdu's channel. In this video, we'll learn how to use the abandoned checkout feature to maximize your website sales. This feature is designed to save customers' data when they have initiated the checkout process but do not complete the purchase. It can also automatically send reminder emails to customers or allow you to manually follow up with them. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. From your Berdu website dashboard, go to Orders and then to Abandoned Checkouts. If you don't see any abandoned checkouts yet, don't worry. We'll walk you through how to generate data here. Go to Settings in the Abandoned Checkout menu. Here, you can adjust the following. You can set how many days abandoned orders are stored before being deleted. You can also choose the minimum order value to be included in abandoned checkouts. Orders below this value won't trigger reminders. In the reminder settings, you can set the timing for automatic reminders to be sent to customers. For example, send the first reminder 24 hours after abandonment. Send the second reminder after 2 or 3 days, or skip it entirely. Choose whether or not to send a third reminder. Once your preferences are set, click Save. To test abandoned checkouts, open an incognito window. If you're logged in as an admin, the system won't save your abandoned checkout data. Select a product and go through the checkout process. Fill in your customer details, but don't complete the order. This simulates a customer abandoning their checkout. Go back to your Berdu website dashboard and refresh the abandoned checkout page. You'll see the data from the test order we just created. Now let's send a reminder email to the customer to complete their order. Before sending, you need to customize the email template. Open a new tab and go to Berdu Dashboard. Go to Layout, Email Templates. Select the abandoned checkout template, then Edit Layout here. You can edit the email subject line, and you can also modify the text. In addition, you can also add images, text, or other sections as needed. The most important thing is do not delete the button in the email. This button allows the customer to return directly to their abandoned checkout with all their previously entered details still saved. When everything is finished, click Done, and save your changes. Now return to the abandoned checkout page. For each abandoned order, click Send Reminder, Send Email. The reminder email will be sent to the customer. Let's check the result. Here's what the customer will see in their email inbox. They will see the reminder email formatted exactly as you set it up. Customers can click the button in the email to return to their checkout page. All previously entered details will still be there, so they can easily complete their purchase without starting over. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you in the next video.